Hello students, this is Professor Bharat Naik from Mechanical Department. Today I will teach Model 2 Extended Surfaces. Newton's law of cooling. The rate of heat transfer is directly proportional to the area exposed by the body to the surrounding fluid and the temperature difference between surface and the surrounding. Q convection can be increased by increasing the surface temperature, but Ts cannot be increased because of the material limit. Q convection can be increased by decreasing the ambient temperature, but T infinity cannot be decreased because of the environmental limit. Therefore, Q convection cannot be changed significantly with temperature difference. Our next parameter is heat transfer coefficient. Q convection can be increased by increasing the heat transfer coefficient. We can increase the heat transfer coefficient by using external devices like fan or blower, but if you use external devices, ultimately the cost will increases. Therefore, Q convection cannot be controlled with heat transfer coefficient. Our next parameter is surface area. Q convection can be increased by increasing the surface area. Therefore, to increase the surface area by attaching to the surface, extended surface is called fin. Consider a base is maintained with a temperature Tb. To increase the heat transfer from this base, we are attaching rectangular fin to the base. Therefore, heat transfer will increases. To attach fin to the base, we are using casting or extrusion process because these processes will give low value of contact resistance. The important points regarding fin material. Fin should be have high thermal conductivity as compared to base material. Cost should be low. It should have low weight. Therefore, our preferred fin material is aluminum alloy. Therefore, it doesn't mean that if you are attaching fin to the base, always heat transfer will increases. Heat transfer is depends upon the thermal conductivity of the material. If you are attaching low value of thermal conductivity to the base, heat transfer will decreases. If material is having high thermal conductivity, heat transfer will increases. Thank you.